Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to track your spending using Ally Bank. Once you're logged in to the Ally app or website, head straight to your checking or savings account dashboard. There, you'll see a section called Spending or Insights, which automatically organizes your transactions into categories like food, bills, shopping, and travel. You can tap any category to view detailed breakdowns and spot patterns in your habits. You can also set custom spending goals and compare your activity month to month to see where your money is going. If something looks off, you can review the transaction instantly and even flag it. With these built-in tools, Ally makes it easy to stay aware of your financial behavior and make smarter budgeting decisions every day. Subscribe the channel for more videos.